guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're jumping right into highlights and contour. Reason because I was getting ready, so I wanted you guys to see how I'm doing that. So I'm just here just doing my makeup and you're watching. Now if you're new, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's totally free. All right, so we're going to blend out our highlighted ears, and this is the concealer from Juvia's Place, and I am loving it, guys. Finally been using my Juvia's Place products. That's just the relationship between me and Juvia's Place. Like I will purchase their products and then I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna watch you and love you and have you there, and then boom, one day and just start using you. And that's it with me. I just started using it and I've been loving their products so far. So after blending out your concealer, you want to go in and set, and this is the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Now I have this powder for like years now, probably expired. Look at me, but it's been working and I've been loving it. Take a sip every time I say I love it in this video because I think I'm going to use it a lot. After setting my concealer, I'm going to set my contour areas, and you didn't see when I applied the contour concealer, but that concealer is also from Juvia's Place. I love it for me. So fun fact, guys, fun fact is that my first high-end product is that ABH palette that I just showed you guys. $40. I remember when it just came out and everybody was like, I just started in makeup, and $40 was like, should I even invest in this? Because I don't even know where to put it. Enough of that. We're jumping right into the eyes, and it's from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette, and I love this palette. A lot of my looks you're going to see coming from this palette. I've been loving shimmers lately, obsessed, and I didn't even wet my brush or anything. That's just straight from the pan, and it's amazing. We're going with a transition color, and usually persons would use transition then going with a shimmer, but I just find it very realistic, you know, like for somebody that's gonna do their makeup, they could just do that on the go, boom boom and go, and not trying to follow like a strategic step, whatever, you get what I'm saying. So we're gonna bring that green color down the eyes, and just watch your eyes, guys, because just tend to get in your eyes sometimes. So it's blush time, and I love this Juvia's Place blush palette. It's amazing. I don't know why I sit on it so long. It's because it's so pigmented, but that's another story for another video. We're using the highlighter from the Juvia's blush palette also, and I'm just going for a subtle highlight, nothing crazy, because we want the look to be wearable, and I want you to be able to wear it out. Like if you follow this video, you'll be able to wear it out and like you know. So I was going to do my brows on camera, but then I was like, no, let's scare them. And I hope you were scared. We're gonna brush away the excess powder, and yeah, setting your brows, guys, before doing it is just game changer for me. I never used to do it, but it's just amazing. We're going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and this is where I really started thinking about the video, guys, like showing the products, etc. After doing my eyelashes, they are Kiss eyelashes, very affordable. I'm gonna line my lips, and then, guys, let's rave about this lip gloss from Almi. They have different shades, guys. I can't wait to go back to CVS and get them. It's so amazing. The video is about to finish. Sad to say I gotta go, but girl, see you in my next video. Remember, have a good one and be safe, guys.